guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Lockett, and yes, this is just a short video of a do-it-yourself project that I did. I had a blank canvas that was just sitting around in my house. So yeah, I randomly got on my social media account and asked my family, friends, and followers to give me some inspirational quotes to carry me out of 2020. So I'm sharing it with you. Excellence is what you do. Victory, love, preparation. Anything is possible. You are beautiful, dedicated, educated, and a leader. Yes, that's me. You got this. I'm in my happy place. Just do it. You are worthy. Keep shining. The world needs your light. You have purpose. Don't count the days. Make the days count. Love, live, life, proceed, progress. Love that you are a masterpiece. Always choose positive. You are worthy. God has a plan for you. Believe in your dreams. Don't stop until you're proud. God got you. He take care of his children. You have God's favor. Amen. You are a great leader. Keep being the best you. There's always someone watching and taking notes. Nothing can dim the light that shine from within. Move in silence, period. With God, all things are possible. Matthew 19:26. Keep pushing. You are loved. Be joyful in all circumstances. What I look like giving up tomorrow might be the day I win. Yes, Crystal. I really love that. Shine. Don't quit. Do it. Oh, I love it. Don't miss that message. Go kick ass. You got this, champ. Do your job so well that no woman dead or alive can do it any better. Every day is a day. Every day is a good day. Some days are just better than others. Miss Holla, I love her. Thank you, Courtney. I think she gave me that. Pray, focus, manifest, hustle. You are wonderfully made. Know your worth and protect your peace always. God don't play about you, period. He don't. And lastly, for I know the plans I have for you. Plans to prosper you, give you hope and a future. Jeremiah 29. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok at Teacher Fashion on Lock_ETT.